Hello guys, would you love to know how you can make over $250 weekly earning from this trading platform? I believe you want to hear more about this. So quickly now, let's get started. Let me introduce you to this platform. Now, if you are on this channel, you must have heard me talk about Coinryze trading platform over and over again. A lot of members in my community are actually earning weekly from this platform, and I'll be giving you trading strategies to earn effectively here. Now, what is Coinryze trading platform? Now, Coinryze is a professional brokerage platform regulated by functional authorities in Singapore, the United Kingdom, as well as the United States. All transaction uses are open and transparent. They have been working for over 5 years with tireless 247 deposit and withdrawal service. They have been working effectively. Now, their products are traded based on Binance real, active and verifiable market data. Once you register on this platform, you get 15% daily deposit bonus. Now, for you to understand this platform, you can see it right here. The 50% extra bonus is being given to you on this platform. Now, this platform enables you to be able to trade. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get started. If you want to register on this platform, just make sure you check down the link in the description box. You are going to see a registration link. Just click on it, register with your email, and you input a password. Now, if you want to recharge, you'll be making use of USDT TRC20 network, or you'll be making use of TRX, and you can also make use of fiat currency. You can see you can deposit as little as 5 USDT dollar, and you get started in trading. You can make use of the fiat currency. You can see you can deposit using NGN, LKR and PKR. Now, they have 247 customer support on this platform. If you want to also make your withdrawal, you can make withdrawal using the USDT TRC20 and the TRX, and you can also make withdrawal using the fiat currency. Now, quickly, let me show you guys how this actually works. For Coinryze platform, they have different trading signal group. You can see they have a color prediction signal group here, which is a 60-second signal group, and also they have for BTC. You can see it right here on my screen. They have for 60 seconds for color prediction ETH, and they have for BTC. You can see it here. These are the signal group. You can see these are just winning trades that they are winning. You'll be earning weekly and monthly. They also have a trading platform which is for a human analyst signal group that is being given to you here. You can see there are different trades that are being placed on this trading channel. Now, for signal session here, it comes twice in a day. We have one for 9 a.m. West African time, and we have 8 a.m. UTC. Then the evening section goes for 4 p.m. UTC, which is 5 p.m. West African, which is Nigerian time. Now, for this platform, they have a very secure trading strategy, which they will be providing you a trading calculator. Now, with this trading calculator, you'll be able to trade on different 8 stages and maximize your profit. Now, how this trading calculator work, I'm going to be making a video attached to this video so you can see properly how to earn with the trading calculator and earn your good compensation fee here. Now, this is it. The compensation fee is just maybe once you are trading, because this is trading, and here you trade without failure, and the trading here is actually guaranteed for you to secure profits. But they give you a good trading calculator for you to maximize your profits and know your earning. Now, for you to make use of this trading calculator, what you just need to do is to input a particular amount that you have as a startup capital. Let's say, for example, you are making a deposit of $1,000. Then you calculate it. Then you tap on 8 stage. You can see there is 9 stage, 10 stage. But what we are making use of here is the 8 stage, because the trading does not exceed this 8 stage before you make good profits. Now, let me show you guys how this compensation actually works, so you can see that your compensation fee is actually effective and it's being given to you just in case maybe you encounter a loss. You can see this is somebody that is being compensated after the person made a deposit, after the person made trade and loss at the 8th stage, but you are not going to make any form of loss here if you trade effectively. You can see this, you can see it here, and you can see the person making a screenshot. You can see it here, and the person actually receive it clearly here. You can see it right now. If you want to contact the customer support, just in case maybe you want to make any form of inquiry, all you just need to do is to tap on it. You just tap here. You can see, just tap on the icon below, just tap on it, then you see it's going to be displayed here. We have online CS, we have WhatsApp, and we have the Telegram channel. Just tap on it. As you see, as I just tap on it, it brought me straight into the customer support DM. Now, the link to the customer support, I'm going to be dropping it directly in the description box of this video for you to contact customer support. Now, whenever you make your withdrawal, just make sure you send your UID to the customer support, and your withdrawal will be confirmed in less than 5 minutes. Now, let me just quickly show you guys how you can actually even place a trade here. Now, you can see it here. This is we have BTC. Like I said, if you want to place trade here, you just tap on BTC 28, and then you can place trade here. You can see we have the trade. You can select big, small, odd, even. All this your selection you do based on the trading type that is being given to you. For example, let's say you are making use of BTC signal 60. You can see it here. This is the trading signal, right? Then you impute whatsoever trading type that is being given to you. Let me just show you guys how you can understand. You can see we have the trade small, we have the period, and we have the recommended quantity. Now the recommended quantity, it is based on you making use of the trading calculator. You can see, let's say you are making use, like I said, you can even start up with as low as what, 10 USDT. Then you can make use of your recommended quantity is going to be attached to how much you have on your Coinryze platform. Do you understand? Recommended quantity based on your capital. You understand? So that's how we have the X1, we have the X2, X3, X4 going down to what, stage 8. And this is how you trade and you make money effectively. Now if you have any question, please make sure you find your way direct to my Telegram channel. You can see I'm here where you can see this. This is just some few earnings that I make and I'm withdrawing it. With this, I can tell you boldly that a 9-to-5 job cannot actually pay you this effectively, and you can just start up with as low as $10. And on my Telegram channel, I'm here to always guide you, and we're having a live stream. You'll be seeing this video posted today on the 15th of February 2025, and right here today we're having a live stream on Telegram where I'll be also teaching you and giving you guys different trading strategy. You'll be able to have direct access to me, and not just trading. Here on the Telegram channel we have different activities we are doing. We have different airdrop we are participating on, and we have different coaching classes I'm giving here, all out for free. So make sure you find your way to Coinryze trading platform and register. Like I said, the link to register is in the description box of this video. You can find it also in the comment section. You can see that compensation is actually very secured and it's actually very reliable. These guys are actually verified, and like I said, their products make use of trade based on Binance real, active and verifiable data. So you understand, they are actually regulated in Singapore and the United Kingdom as well as the United States, so you have nothing to doubt here. If you have been on my channel for quite a while now, this will not be the first time that you hear me talk about Coinryze trading platform, because people are actually making profit. So do not be left out. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, you comment and you subscribe.